And welcome to today's episode on how we can create a Sketchware project, or rather a Sketchware app that shows startup ads using latest SDK. So the ads type we are showing is the banner ads you can see below, and the interstitial ad, which is the full screen ads. So we'll do this in Sketchware. So this is a full screen ad. So let's do this quickly in Sketchware. So the first thing first we do is creating our project. We create our project. Please let's take note of our app package name. So this is our app package name. So let's copy our app package name, as we'll be needing it. So let's copy our app package name and go into our project. So I added a vertical linear layout with height as 400, material button. So I added this material button. So let's first of all enable this. Then we come to our manifest. We come here, we click here. Then we can see replace this, replace with your package name. Then we put our startup ad app ID, your startup app ID from your accounts. So next thing, let's add permissions. So we can see all the permission added. If we want to add it to another project, we need to do this one by one. So we copy this from the point of Android, we copy it out. Then we click on this, paste, then we click on save. So that is it. Next thing we're going to do, we add an horizontal and name it as banner. So I name it as banner. Next thing I'm going to do is under extra, added some codes. So now I want create. First of all, we initialize. So we place this with your app ID, your startup app ID. Next, we do this to disable splash screen ad. Then this is to show banner ads. So when we click this button, let's see what happens. So what happens is it shows interstitial ad. So that is all. Thank you for watching this video. Please support by subscribing, sharing and liking this video. Thanks once more. Project is available in Sketchware.